To take apart the steering stem on the 110, grease it up. Wrecked it when I first bought it.
Why? In your car to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
And then there is how you grease the steering stem on the 110. The steering stem top nut is 54 foot-pounds, and then the top bridge nuts on the triple clamp is 24 foot-pounds, and then the bottom ones are 16 foot-pounds. So these ones 16 foot-pounds, 24 foot-pounds, and your top nut is 54 foot-pounds, or 44 foot-pounds on your front axle nut. And it's a little better. We'll be getting new bearings probably here soon on this thing, but it's a lot better. Like and subscribe.